Couplets.
Orange carrot. Orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Orange carrot.
Did you know that orange carrots can be baked?
Yellow banana. Yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
The elephant eats bunches of yellow bananas.
Red strawberry. Red strawberry.
Red strawberry.
Ripened red strawberries are taken from a serving bowl.
Purple grape. Purple grape.
Purple grape. Purple grape.
The grapes on the vine are purple.
Orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
Red strawberry.
Red strawberry. Purple grape.
Purple grape.
Live,
Let.
cut,
Live. Let. Cut.
Yes.
Got. His.
Shapes.
Arrow. Arrow.
Arrow. Arrow.
An arrow says, "Go this way." Semicircle. Semicircle.
Semicircle. The window is shaped like a semicircle. Diamond. Diamond.
Diamond. Some playing cards have diamonds on them.
Triangle. Triangle.
Triangle.
The sandwich is cut into a triangle.
Arrow.
Arrow.
Semicircle.
Semicircle. Diamond.
Diamond. Triangle.
Triangle.
Kick. Kick. Kid. Kid. Kale. Kale. Words start with K. kite, key, kitten,
kiwi,
keep,
keen.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Fantastic! Orange carrot.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Red strawberry.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job! Arrow. Which one is semicircle?
That is right.
Semicircle.
Which one is?
Triangle.
Fantastic!
Triangle. Can you point to?
Yellow banana.
That's right.
Yellow banana.
Can you point to?
cut,
You did it!
Can you point to?
Let. Great job!
Hooray! You have finished the lesson. Congratulations, you've earned a sticker.
Play lessons to earn more stickers.